Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas. In this video I will show you how you can create and manage email addresses in cPanel. What you see right now is the original cPanel, but maybe you are using another hosting that has its own cPanel. Some hostings like SiteGround, Hostinger has their own cPanel, so you will see a bit different the environment. The functions are the same, but it is not exactly the one you will see right now. You can follow the video and then you can figure out in your hosting, or you can see another video that I have that shows you how you can create email accounts on other hostings that you may use. So let's start with a tutorial. First, you have to click on the email accounts here, and here you see all the email accounts you have already created. If you haven't created any yet, you will not see any. But for me, here are all my accounts, and let's say I want to create a new one. I have to click here on create. By the way, this is free. You can create free email accounts in cPanel. The most of the hostings are providing this service for free. And you can send also emails for free using this service from the hosting. So here the first thing is to choose the domain name, because we want to create, let's say, an email which is support. Okay, it has to be support at and then the domain name you want. Here I have many domain names. You see here there is a list with a drop down list that you can choose. I can choose here this domain, and then here you have to choose what it will be the email. The same will be sales. Okay, because I have already the support for this domain name. So it will be sales@terradigita.com. Okay, here you can choose the password. Let's set a password. Okay, and then you click create. Very good. Now let's find this email we just created. It is sales@terradigita.com. This is the email. Now you have to go to the manage, and here you can set unlimited the allocated storage space. Okay, set it to unlimited, or if you want a specific limit, you can set it here. How many megabytes? Also, if in the future you want to change the password, you can do it here. You can put a new password, and then you can click update email settings. Okay, now I will not change the password. I just click update. I just change the limit. Okay, so we have the email here, sales@terradigita.com, and then what we can do with this email is that we can create a forwarder. So wherever somebody sends an email to this email address, you get an email also on your personal Gmail or Hotmail account. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. So how to set also a forwarder? We have to go back to the cPanel, and then here near to the email accounts there is another option that is called forwarders. So we click this, and here you click add forwarder. Here you can choose the domain name, but in this case we want to leave it the same, the terradigita.com we have already, and here we put the sales. So what actually we are doing here? We say that for all the incoming emails that come into the sales@terradigita.com, we need to forward to this email address, and here we can set an email address. This is one of my personal emails, and then we click add forwarder. Okay, so everything that arrives to the new email we created will also arrive as a copy to our personal email. So in this case we don't lose any email. Then let's go back to the email. Okay, here email accounts. What else we can do? We find again the email. Here is the sales Terradigita. We go here to check email, because from here is an admin dashboard for this specific email address. Okay, we click here open. Okay, so here is the admin dashboard of this specific email. Okay, not for every email address, only for the sales@terradigita.com. Each email, each inbox, it has its own dashboard, its own admin dashboard. Okay, so here what you can do, you can see the inbox. This is the inbox here. It has already one email that says the configuration about the SMTP setup. Here you can create and send an email. You can go to compose, and here is the from email, which is the one we created. You can choose the recipient, subject, and you can here type and then send. So it's a normal email inbox that you can receive and send emails. Here you can always find this when you go to check email. You can find this. Then let's go back. What else you can do? You can connect. If you go to connect devices, you can use the SMTP from your hosting and send free emails using your hosting. The limit, you have to ask the hosting what is the limit, because many hosting has like 200 emails per hour, 300, 400, depends the hosting you are using. It has for sure a limit. So you need to ask the support and find out what is your hourly limit. Okay. Then here are the details that you can use. I'm hiding because I don't want somebody to use these details and send emails. But on this video here, I will show you how you can send emails for free using a free plugin, the WP Email SMTP, and using the setup from your cPanel. And if you connect this info here with the plugin on your WordPress website, you can send from your WordPress website emails for free. Okay, watch this video here. And now, if you want to delete this email address, it's very simple again. You go here to email accounts, you find this address, salesteraddigital.com, and you click here. You select it actually, and then you click delete. Yes, you click delete, confirm, and that's it. The email has been deleted. So I show you how to create the email, how to access the inbox of this email, how to create a forwarder for this email. I will show you in another video, as I mentioned, how to connect this email address to your WordPress website to send emails through this email for free using the SMTP, and I show you also how to delete this email. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to cover any specific topic that you want to learn more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.